Today, I'm going to show you how to view your vehicle's live data in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to Fleet, and then select the vehicle that you want to look at. Now, you'll see this section of the page, which is labeled Live. And in here, you can see the vehicle's current speed. Currently, the vehicle is not in use, so it is 0 kilometers per hour. And you can see the vehicle's current fuel level. You can also see the daily trip range. So the vehicle has not been taken out today, and the total driving duration for the day. So clearly the vehicle has not been used today. We also have the map on the right. If we scroll a bit to the side, we get a better view. We can see where the vehicle is located. We can also expand the map by clicking this button. We can move around, zoom out, zoom in. All right, now let's look at a vehicle that's currently in motion so we can see what that looks like. So let's click escape on our keyboard to get out of this map. And let's go back to Fleet. Then let's click on this Toyota. So we can see that this vehicle is currently moving and its current speed is updated on this bar. Right now, it's only moving at 3 kilometers an hour, probably because it's at the airport right now. But we can see it moving live on the map. We can see it turning and we can see its speed update in real time. Just like before, we can open up the map, and whenever it moves, we will see it move. And we can see it's back to 0 kilometers an hour. So this bar is all the way back to the left. But that's all we need to know to monitor our vehicle's live data in Shift.